Are you tired of constantly cleaning your dirty, stained roof? Are you looking for a way to save money on energy costs and do your part in fighting global warming? Look no further than Simix Cool Surface technology. By applying this cutting-edge technology to your roof, you will not only enjoy a clean, stain-free surface, but also experience significant savings on your energy bills. This is because Simix Cool Surface technology uses the power of the sun to break down dirt and stains, keeping your roof clean without the need for harsh chemicals or constant pressure washing. But the benefits don't stop there. Simix Cool Surface technology also helps to reflect the sun's rays, keeping your home cooler and reducing the amount of energy needed to cool it with passive cooling technology. This means lower energy bills for you and a smaller carbon footprint for the planet. Don't let a dirty, stained roof hold you back any longer. Take control of your energy costs and do your part in fighting global warming with Simix Cool Surface technology. It's a win-win for you and the planet,